Hey guys, it's Julie here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a Thanksgiving side dish. It is a maple bacon pecan roasted butternut squash. It is so good. It's something I've been making for years as a side dish for Thanksgiving. And this is a video that is part of a collab with, there are quite a few ladies. The whole month of November, I think all the way up until the 20-something, there is going to be a new video added to the playlist. And it is all fall and Thanksgiving recipes. So I will leave a link below. Please go check it out. It is a collab that is being hosted by Ingrid from Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles. And I am super excited to see what everyone else made. Hopefully you guys are too. So please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I highly recommend you try this recipe. I will also leave in the description box, I will leave a link to the website where you can find the recipe. Okay, so to begin, you're going to need 5 cups of cubed butternut squash. You can buy it pre-cut, which is what I normally like to do, but my store did not have it pre-cut, so I had to cut it myself. So you need 5 cups of butternut squash, 6 pieces of bacon, a cup of pecans. You're going to need some of the bacon fat from the bacon that you cooked. Going to need ground cinnamon, some salt, and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, pure maple syrup. And you legitimately just combine it all. So I'm going to add the cup of pecans, roughly chopped. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of the maple syrup. I make this recipe, I've been making it for probably 3, maybe 4 years now, and I always make it for either Thanksgiving or Christmas depending on what I get assigned as my dish to bring. And I'm going to need to chop up this bacon. You don't want it too crispy because it's going to cook more in the oven, so it's kind of like that rubbery texture right now. Then I'm just going to add this to my bowl. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of the bacon fat. This is a paleo friendly dish. It's actually something I got from Paleo MG. I will leave a link below to her post that has the recipe. And that is it. I have the oven preheated at 350. And you're supposed to cook this in a 9x11 pan, but both of my 9x11 pans are being used. I have lasagna in one and an ice cream birthday cake in another. So I'm going to use 2 slightly smaller pans. And when you put it in the oven, you gotta turn the oven temperature up to 400, and it cooks for I think 35 to 40 minutes. Depending on how you like it. I feel like every time I've cooked it, I've baked it a little bit longer than that. Just because I like everything to be really soft and kind of really golden, so I cook it a little bit longer. Actually, I'm going to cook it all in this one. I lost all the good stuff. Because I'm cooking it in a smaller dish, it may take a little bit longer because it's not a thin layer. But that's it. So I will show you guys what it looks like when it's done. I'm cooking. And it looks delicious. Let's see. Guys, it tastes like Thanksgiving. It smells like Thanksgiving in my house. It's so good. You guys really need to try this recipe. Catch you guys next time.